Hartford. I think, did Cruz go to I think Cruz went to Hartford. Got a picture of him on here. I think it's from, I don't know, Jennifer's got a picture. I don't know, who's this Jennifer? Got the hand out, got a nice baby blue tie on. I look at him and I'm like, just to me, and I have all kinds of issues. To me, he just looks honest. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to explain it. I mean, he put himself through college, and, you know, he's speaking until he falls. I don't know, and these other people are just like, you watch them speak. You know, the two that were there yesterday. I don't trust that racket at all, man. I just don't, man. I just don't. And I went to JCA and SUNY and Hard Knocks education too, growing up. Worked in clubs, community human services. Hi.